nicer if I had music, but it's a bit much, so I'm gonna need sponsors. And stuff. It's just I don't think about it much because I always listen to music, and I'm gonna get hit by an old. There's a nice little BMW on wheels. Even better, I probably won't edit. Any cops? Any cops? Yo, what is this? Oh, nice little Super. Oh my god. My brakes suck. You know what I'm doing? Should check that first. But I do need. I'm gonna turn this into a lowrider or something. People who just put spacers in and wreck their shit. All my broke bitches like me. That Toyota was. I'm pretty sure I just sit here until all these. Got a decent sized house. It's my so. I could probably look it up. I lose traction and literally all. Why am I going so slow? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're balling. Could have been bad. Excuse me. It's all drum. Rotors. 5 more days, so I can just see, or I break myself accidentally. It's life. I need it for the next step. Next step is I'm not much into diesel, but it's how I something. I got a high enough score. I could have done Intel or any of that. Idly. Like, basically that's all. Thank you guys. Take care. Stay safe.